I realize now that I've made a mistake. I never understood how powerful Surah Al-Fatiha truly is until I listened to it closely. The first chapter of the Quran, Surah Al-Fatiha, is like a personal conversation with Allah. It's a beautiful blend of gratitude, guidance, and hope. Beginning with Bismillah creates an atmosphere of humility and respect. We thank Allah for His mercy and blessings and ask Him to guide us on the straight path. It's a reminder that no matter what, we are never alone. This surah, recited in every prayer, connects us directly to our Creator. It's like a compass, guiding us through life's ups and downs. So the next time you recite Surah Al-Fatiha, feel that connection, that gratitude, that guidance. Because within these 7 verses lies a world of wisdom and love. Stay inspired and keep that connection alive.